Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript for web development step by step. Start by installing a code editor and opening a basic HTML file to run JavaScript. Focus on learning syntax, variables, functions, and DOM manipulation with tiny hands-on examples. Use the browser console and simple exercises to solidify understanding, and keep each practice session short and focused for steady progress. In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript for web development step by step. Dive into scope, closures, and asynchronous patterns like promises and async await through tiny projects. Practice event handling to make pages interactive and learn how modules and bundlers fit into development. Keep experiments small, iterate quickly, and gradually combine concepts into larger applications for real learning gains and confidence. In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript for web development step by step. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you code, fits cup holders, and has a leak-free lid that makes study sessions easier. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript for web development step by step. Begin building small projects like a to-do list and a weather app using Fetch for API calls. Add persistence, handle loading and error states, and style components simply to improve UX. Refactor often, use Git for version control, and gradually increase project scope to transform concepts into practical skills you can showcase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.